Next question is from Nishi Pandey. She's asking, what are a few pro tips that make a coder's life more productive and fun? Nishi, the first pro tip I would give would be to be social as much as you can. Gone are the days when developers were considered as introverts and they used to just code in their silence and solitude. You should be part of a community. You should be as social as you can. So, in my opinion, what the advice which I give to every developer is that be social, be active on Twitter, at least use Twitter for half an hour daily in morning as well as evening. Of course, follow those people who are related to your technology. Follow those people from whom you can learn something, not the movie stars and the politicians. You should follow the people from whom you can learn something, be it an evangelist of your particular technology or be it a YouTuber who creates videos on your technology. So number one pro tip would be that be social, be active on Twitter. Second pro tip would be that avoid reinventing the wheel. So by avoiding reinventing the wheel, I mean to say that look for tools of your trade as much as you can. If you are going to write a data access layer, rather than writing your own data access layer, find a pre-built data access layer of your particular technology available. If you are going to use an ORM, use the most popular one, open source one, which is supported by the community. There is for which more and more support is there. So avoid the temptation of reinventing the wheel, or avoid the temptation of creating your own tool. Rather than use the tools which are readily available in the market, because creating your own tool will not only you can say not only slow down your development or slow down your learning, it will also take lot of your time. So use all the tools which are available in your bucket, or which are available in market, or which are available in the community. Use the most popular one related to your technology. So use as much tools as possible rather than creating your own tools. The third pro tip I would give is that avoid ego clashes. Many developer has ego that I have so many years of experience, I know this thing so well. So in order to avoid ego clashes, I would say that be open to learn always, even if it is from a junior developer. So even if someone is junior from you, if he is giving you some advice, always open to listen to the advice and see whether you can implement it or not. Maybe that advice is better than what you are implementing. That won't be a problem for you, or it is not a way that the other person is looking down upon you. It's basically he's just giving a suggestion. So be open to more and more ideas. Avoid ego clashes as much as you can. Last but not the least, I would say that ask as many questions as you can. So ask as many questions as you can to people whom you know, be it your seniors, be it people in the community. Ask as many questions as you can. But remember, before asking the questions, do proper research about the answer of that question also. That okay, I have applied these ways to solve this particular problem, but I was not able to solve it. Can you suggest me what is the other way, or what I am missing? So I think that should be the way to ask your question, rather than asking directly that okay, how can I do this thing? That is not a appropriate question to ask, because how can I do this? You can do that, find that answer by just a Google search. How can I connect to database? Do a Google search, you will get the answer in whatever language you want. But if you are facing some problem with connecting to a database, the question you should ask is that I have tried these many ways to connect to a database in my this language, but I'm not able to do it. Can anyone help me out with a proper solution, or suggest me what I am missing? So ask questions as much as you can, but back those questions with proper research, that okay, you have tried your own hands, but you were not able to get answer. That's why you are asking for the questions. I hope you like my answers, and if you like my answers, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends, family and colleagues. So until my next video, take care. Bye bye.